name of Jesus. No weapon formed against me shall prosper, and every tongue that rises against me in judgment thou shalt condemn. Lord, give me a sign.
Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is I catch a grenade for you. Throw my hand on a blade for you. I jump in front of a train for you. You know I'd do anything for you.
The original Playboys.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back, I want you back.
Ito ang totoong facial expression.
Teach me how to duck it. Teach me how to duck it.
Autobots, transform.
Ka ba sa pag-ibig kaya pilit ka na balik at nahalik? Kahit nasakit lang ang kapalit o manhid ka lang, kaya di mo mabati na oo nga mahal kita. Pero bilang kapatid, kapit ka ng kapit, hoy wala ka nang makakapitan. Lapit pa ng lapit, hoy wala na bang malalapitan? Hindi nakita na kaya tama ng kadramahan. Pwede parihap ka na't nalala na ang katangahan. Bakit mo ba binatakan? Tinula kong drogang hawit kahit alam mo lahat na sinulat kong obra ay bola lang at boka lang upang makuha ka. Ba't ka nag-adik kay Sekayan tuloy naloka ka? Nak ng tupa ka, daig mo pa ang tagahang nakahawak sa pangarap na tayong nakatadhana. Salamat sa lahat pero patawad pa rin pagkat magkaiba na ang nakaguhit sa palad natin. At yung balak natin na noon ay makasal, mangyayari pa rin yun. Pero huwag kang maasar kundi ikaw yung gusto kong makatabi sa altar. Alam mo ba kung bakit? Kasi di na kita mahal. Kaya bakit di ka na lang makinig sa aking payo? Lumayo ka na at malabo na maging tayo. Kasi may mahal na ako at di ikaw yun. At kahit anong gawin mo di ako bibitaw doon.